go shopping at a regular supermarket. So, I wonder what I should get. There's a lot of different things here. Remember, this is definitely a regular supermarket. Like, what's this thing? Anyways, produce section. We're at the produce section. And yeah. Look at these cute stuffies. Where else would you find this at a regular supermarket? There's a garden. This is normal, right? Psych. I'm joking. This is actually nice. See, look, they're abnormal avocados. Okay, this actually is a weird supermarket. What is this? What's this thing? Maybe it's just a glitch. Wait, what's in this cucumber? What are in these cucumbers? Wait, what? This is not a regular supermarket. It literally says Omega Mart. Okay, this is definitely regular though, right? Wait, what? Wait, what? What's happening? Anyways, look at these. Wait, what? Mom, look! What the heck is this? What is this? I walked into a regular supermarket. What is this thing? Wait. Oh my god. Okay.
Hold it back so they can see it.
This looks like a regular supermarket. What? These things are overpriced. Lettuce? Cat? Okay, yeah, this is not a regular store. Wait, what? Wait, hold on a minute. This is a zucchini duck. Okay, I don't know what to say anymore. This is definitely not a regular supermarket. It literally says... Anyways, maybe it's just like a cool... Like... Maybe it's just this part that's... Like... Maybe it's just... They wanted to put like a cool art thing. Like, just for this section. But the rest of the store is probably just normal. Okay. Yeah, it's probably just like... Again, how I was saying. It's probably just like... One part of the museum. Anyways, what are these things? Oh, these are so fuzzy. Remember what I said. It's probably just like one part. Maybe they just want it like they're bored in the supermarket and then they just put one thing. Yeah. This is just probably fruit too old. Looks like food like fruit. Okay. Oh my god. Fresh avocados? Avocado. That's not how you spell it. Yeah, like I said, this is probably the toy aisle. Infinity melon. Look how expensive it is. Oh, wait. It makes sense. Wait, this is. Remember how I say this is probably just like one part of the supermarket? Like, maybe they're just bored. Okay, somebody missed this. This stinks. What are these bananas? Wait, what? What's this? Yeah, remember, this is probably just one. Oh yeah, this is just probably regular. This is just, like I keep saying. Look at these oranges. Yeah, probably one part of the store. Not a big deal. I came here to shop, not look at toys. Anyway, let's move on. I'm kind of getting bored. Look, how expensive is here? Look in here. One onion. It's not a big deal. Yeah, because I actually want to start shopping now, okay? What's in it? Wait, what? Oh, they're probably for just taking pictures. Not a big deal. Just for taking pictures, probably. Yeah. Probably just for taking pictures. Pixel fruit. What the is happening in there? What's that? Yummy. Lemons. Oh, lemon kitten. That's good. Okay. I want to actually go to a real. Somebody's littering today. How come this place looks so weird? Okay, let's go get a beautiful flower. Let's see. Roast beef. That's a weird name to cauliflower. Let's see. Look at the. Yeah, I'm done. Done. I'm done. What? Oh my. Wait, this is just this part probably, okay? Probably just these two parts. I'm not gonna go for the tricks again. Look. I'm not gonna like go in there. It probably leads to the bathroom anyways. It probably leads to the bathroom. Look, a regular tent. Finally, something regular. That probably leads to. What is this? Oh, it's probably just like a picture taking. Yeah. Portal. No. Okay, anyways. Okay, well, I have this weird toy section. I'm never coming to that toy section. I'm coming here to find some funny shit. What? Okay. Remember, this is probably just this part. Can I get a Freezy, maybe? Slurpee, maybe? Look, these are normal, see? Just plushies. Okay, let's get a Slurpee. Wait. Probably just a leakage. It's probably just a leakage. See, it's normal, see? Oh, God. Just some avocados. See, it's normal. It was just that part. I don't like that part. Look, see, it's just a croissant. What's the big deal? Why is it I'm done. Wait, maybe finally something normal on here. Avocados. Here, I'll grab one. Why is it? Wait, what? What the heck? What is that? Is it the stuff from Stranger Things or something? Maybe it's just this part. It's not a big deal. Oh, Coke. I'll take some later. I'll take some Coke later. Hold on. Oh, those. What the? Whatever. Here, let's get some Coke. Let's get some Coke, guys. What's the problem with getting some Coke? Here, I'll grab a Wait, what? Wait, can I just walk into a fridge? I can't grab a Coke. Oh, what's wrong with this place? Okay. Guys, I actually tricked you this whole time. We're at Omega Mart, and yeah, in Las Vegas. Let's see, what is this? A mouse trap? Fans. Oh, God. Anything in here? Wait, are we in a gas station right now?
Charlie Brown. With his hippie meets auto shop vibe, one might buy me a cigarette.
No, I don't have time to read this. What is wrong with this gas station? Wait, oh, I get it. There's like a bunch of different themes to this place. But yeah. Anyway, let's go outside. Is this actually an exit or? Yeah, great. kind of hungry. I kind of want to go to the store. But all the stuff is fake. Somebody's making calls. That's finally normal. Something that's normal at this place. Dad, come on. Okay, we're out. No, we're not. This is ice. I don't know if you guys can see. This is like an ice machine. Ugh. Whoa. Ah, the door closed behind me. Wow. Look, maybe we can go back to the mart. Oh my god. What's in here? There's somebody missing. I'm gonna go into this little house. Okay, there's nothing really in here. Look, you can see better now. I'm gonna go in here.
She's right here. Wait.
This is a normal house, right?
Yeah, you guys.
Whoa. Oh god. They're actually little dinosaurs. Oh my god. Oops. I knocked it into like somebody's random shoes. Oops. Sorry, Omega Mark.
Jane. Yeah, Franco?
Oh, found it. I almost tripped. Dad! Dad! Come on. Dad! 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 Okay, I'm gonna go. Wait, what's in this treasure chest? Nothing. Okay, let's go through a portal. Wait, what? I just went to a shopping mart, through the fridge, to a gas station. Now, I'm in like a cave.
There you go.
This is
Got it?
hold on.
Be careful. Mira, Dario, aquí, mi amor. Cheese.
I'm gonna.
Okay.
This is so crazy. I'm gonna go back down. Dad, come on. Okay, I'm forced to go up because it's a one way. Once you go in, you can't get out. So, oh god, I'm about to fall. Oh god. Wait, maybe we can finally go outside. Maybe, wait, I have an idea. Maybe we can go like, maybe there's gold here.
Well, we scrubbed that gold roof.
Because I'm kind of getting hungry. I won't fall. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Can I go first?
Okay, I think there's climbing here. Do you have an air?
Yeah.
Okay, because he's climbing something really steep. I know. Wait,
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I'm on the cliff. Ow. Ow. It's almost like I went on a speed pack. Oh god.
please.
Okay. Now we're finally outside. Oh my god, there's even more. We can go through here. Maybe we can go through here. Maybe it's glitching. I'm glitching. I'm glitching. Plenty Valley.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I think we're at school now. I think we're at school. Okay, I think we're at school now. I think we're at school. Look, there's a lock up there. Anyways. Okay, let's see what's in this locker. I'm trying to rob people's banks. Nope, can't get there. Oh, something that's unlocked. Yeah, no. What's this? Ew. Oh, that was a secret handle.
Congratulations. You are
We're going through another dimension. AI robot. We went to a supermarket to like a dimension portal thingy. I don't know. Guys, I feel like I'm gonna go over here. What's in here? Ugh. Oh god, this room is filled with smoke. What's in here? Oh, daydreaming in here. Imagine daydreaming in here. I'm not gonna go in here because I might fall asleep, but let's go. Let's go in here. Whoa, every second it takes a picture, look.
Oh, I didn't know there was a door there. We go through that one?
Oh, wait, there's a door.
Back out.
Wait. Oh, God. Bro, I thought that was a Mona Lisa. What's in here?
Oh, you think it's that good?
Oh my god. Look. Look at that. Yeah, this place is so creepy. Oh, imagine going through there. Okay, it's staff room. If someone's there, staff to be advised. What's it? Oh god, I can't. Wait, what? What's this? It's pitch black, but there's like, oh god, there's fog in here. It's like these lasers. When you touch them, then they trigger a sound. I can't breathe in here. Every room has an excuse. This one is like can't breathe. There's like fog. Oh.
Oh, Jeff, I want to see this. This is the section I want to see.
Alright, what's over here? I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with this place. I'm done. Wait, what? Mom, look! Mom, look! I'm done. You just predicted my mind. I said I'm done. What's in here? Mom, look!
Oh, great.
Oh, there's different things. Look!
Ready?
It's an empty screen. Wow, this place is like... Oh, this is a replica now. my god. Let's move on, Dad. Okay. We were at a supermarket and then now we're here. Oh god, this place is so trippy. I'm gonna go through here. Oh my god. Crouch! Oh my! And there's more. Ted, we haven't been here yet. Wait, no, we have. We haven't. I think we have. Wait, no, we haven't been here. I don't think so. Yeah, guys, I didn't show you this, right? Imagine playing hide and seeker. I would feel bad for the player that's trying to find you. What are the odds that they're gonna find you in this place? How do I make our way back to the supermarket? Wait, these are all the rooms. Here, we haven't gone through here yet. What's in here? Whoa, that's cool. What's in here? Okay. We haven't gone through here yet. I don't think. What's the point of this? Okay, there's a staircase down here. I don't think we've been down here. Whoa, this place is so trippy. I'll go down here. Yeah, there's goo. Let's go in here. Mom. Oh my god. Air. God. What's this? Okay, we're back at we're going to the butcher place. Look at this. Meow Wolf. This can looks loose. Wait, what? Oh, it took that. Dad! Look! Dad! Dad, look, this is the can that took the camel.
Oh, is that what it is? Does it push down maybe?
Look at all these good t-shirts. Look at all these t-shirts. Wait, what? Of course, another dimension. I'll come back to that. Don't go yet. What's over here? Wait, what? Oh, those again. This place is like crazy. Dad, come here. Let's go. Peace blasted. Let's go to the janitor room.
None of us noticed this. Wow.
Drop off. Let's go here. What is this? Oh, it's like a dining, Dad. Look, guys, let's go. Maybe let's go. We went to the freezer, right? See, I never believed that this is janitor. Wait. See? You always check the janitor side. Oh God, maybe it is actually. Maybe this is the janitor. Oh, it isn't. This isn't the janitor. If you're wondering what this is, it's basically just like a bunch of glue to a sponge.
Imagine your parents here, I don't think they would just get any and it was like, what? Mine too.
What's in here? Oh, we've been there. That's the. What's this? Dad! Think safety. Wait, have we been here before? No, that's a butcher. Over here. Over here. Look, another dimension. What the heck is done? Look, done evolution. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 and it goes back to normal time. Normal. Dad! Look! Dad, come here! Done. Look. Evolution of what happens to done boxes. How done is it? Crystal what? Okay, that's one of the poles. No, I'm almost done. See, always check the janitor door. Look this. Mom, look. Look, look. Guys, okay. By the way, I might glitch, okay? I might glitch, okay, guys? Oh, I'm back.
Self-caring is self-sharing. Check out our
Oh God, don't forget yourself. Are people locked up in here? Wake up, please. Vegan Go Plus. What's Vegan Go Plus? Dad, look.
Gold Pass.
Zalg. We know what Zalg is. Wake up, please. Wait, hold on. That's a Zalg. Remember, this is a Zalg? Oh God. Actually, this is actually real. Somebody ripped off this. Dad. Dad. Dad, come here. Hold on. I'm not gonna go through every aisle to spoil this for you, but yeah. I'm gonna go through 3 more portals that we haven't been through yet. The tent and this. And then we have the staircase. And then I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. Some of these flowers are just pure evil. Finger flowers. Whoa. Yeah, I'm not going to show everything, but I'm going to show all the portals. I'm almost done with all the portals. Okay, what is over here? Okay, there's a tunnel. I think this leads back to Omega Mart. I don't know.
This goes out back into the store, guys.
This is the tent. You can go on.
Oh yeah, this is a tent, guys.
Let's go check out the ice box. Look at my number if I lose it.
Oh, 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 that's hot.
Ice box thing over there.
Dad,
Okay.
I'm almost done. Almost done. Then we have our last portal, Dad. Last portal is, last but not least, so I'm a big fan of Meow Wolf stuff. And, yeah. Meow Wolf. But I'm not a big fan of Meow. I'm a big fan of Meow Wolf. There's different Meow Wolves located in different places. I'm gonna start going to those. And, oh, this is. Dad. Okay, this is a T-shirt. Hold on. Oh my God. Dad. T-shirt portal. If you're wondering where this leads, it leads up here, and then I'll show you. You guys, you can do me a favor by liking and subscribing, but yeah. This is a one-way portal. Oh,
Oh, you're good.
yeah.
Oh, it's gonna.
Okay, I'm gonna start making it back down. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And yeah, see you guys. Bye.